Closet renovation explained. Enhance your vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, closet renovation. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English expressions, this video will help you understand what this phrase means, how it's used, and why it's important in everyday conversations. So, let's get started and explore the world of closet renovation together. Closet renovation might sound straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. The word closet refers to a small room or a space in a house used for storing clothes, shoes, and other personal items. Often, it's a private space, hidden from the view of guests. On the other hand, renovation means making improvements or changes to something, usually a building or a room, to make it look better, more modern, or more functional. So, closet renovation involves updating or transforming a closet space to make it more organized, aesthetically pleasing, or practical. You might wonder why someone would focus on renovating a closet. Closets are essential in our daily lives. They store our personal items and help us stay organized. A well-designed closet can save time, reduce clutter, and even add value to a home. Renovating a closet can involve adding new shelves, painting, changing the lighting, or even redesigning the entire space for better functionality. It's not just about storage. It's about creating a space that reflects personal style and meets individual needs. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday English. I'm planning a closet renovation this summer to make more space for my shoes. Their home improvement show features a stunning closet renovation with modern designs. After watching a DIY video, I'm inspired to start my own closet renovation project. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal projects to professional home improvement discussions. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, closet renovation, and its usage in the English language. Whether you're learning English or just love to enhance your vocabulary, understanding such phrases can be really rewarding. If you're planning your own closet renovation or just enjoying learning new expressions, remember, language is all about discovery and creativity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.